So the first thing that I would do is go ahead and identify QR. I'd go and write this in component form. So therefore, to write this in component form, what you'd basically do is just do x2 minus x1, comma, y2 minus y1. Now, it's important for you guys to understand, when we're graphing this, the initial, if you're looking at this like an array, right, here's your initial and here's your end, right? Correct? So therefore, technically, R would be my x2, y2. And this would be my x1, y1. Because you're starting at Q and going towards R. Does that make sense? So therefore, to find the vector form of QR, I would do -2 minus 3, comma, 5 minus 4. Does that make sense? Simplifying that, I get -5, comma, 1. Then I have to do PS. So again, this would be my x1, y1. This would be my x2, y2. So again, using the same format, I would do 2 minus a -2, comma, -8 minus 2. Well, minus a negative is going to give me a 4, comma, -10. Then all I'm simply really doing is they're saying 3 QR plus PS. So I need to do a 3 QR in component form plus PS. Does everybody see exactly really what they're doing? So you just distribute this. So you get a -15, comma, 3 plus 4, comma, -10. Remember, when you're adding them, you add x1 plus x, or you would add x1 plus, or in these points, you'd add v1 plus u1, v2 plus u2. So therefore, in this case, I have -11, comma, -7. OK? Then the next thing is we want to figure out the magnitude. Since it's already in component form, to find the magnitude, I just need to do v1 squared plus v2 squared. Correct? So all I simply need to do is add these up and then take the square root of them. So the magnitude of v is equal to v1 squared is 121, or -11 squared is 121, plus 49. So that's going to equal 170. And I do not know what the square root of 170 is off the top of my head. Is 13.03 or 08. I'll just approximate that. And when I look in the back of the book, that's the answer. So Slater is killing. Yes? OK, hold on a second. Yes?
So on like tests, do you want to ask square root of 170 or an approximation?
I will tell you. What did the book say? Did the book say anything?